Hi, Mark Reedy here. Just wanted to show you real quickly this new spreadsheet we've created that'll show you your parts and labor and the totals for parts and labor, along with the fields customer, the area or department, the location, the make, model, and year, and your current odometer or current hours meter readings. And this will just give you the opportunity to see, sort of sort and filter by some of the other fields available to you, like the year, the make, so you can kind of see what you're spending on different types of equipment and equipment in different either areas or departments of your company or your operation. Okay, so basically you've got these fields here, equipment number, description, that's the description of the equipment itself, the make, model, year, who the customer is, the department or area, the location, the labor total, your parts total, your total of parts and labor combined, your current odometer reading, and your current hours. And we've set it up so that it shows you the entire year for 2011. And if you want to change it to another date range, if you just click on the Data tab in Excel and then click on Connections and then Properties and then Definition, and you'll see here in the command text area, if you scroll down, you'll see a couple of dates right here. You see 1/1/2011 and 12/31/2011. And in this particular database that we're linked up to, this Tatum's database, it doesn't have anything for 2011. It's a little bit older database. So if I were to change this to 2009, for example, and we'll just look at the year 2009. So we'll change the from and the to. So it's 1/1/2009 through 12/31/2009. Click OK, and you can see now we've got our data is all populated in there. Close that. And if you wanted to just see a specific month or any specific year or week or day, you could use change the dates on there in the similar fashion. Once again, let's click on Data, Connections, Properties, Definition, scroll down until you find the date range right here. We'll change this back to 2011. And click OK, and there you go. You can see that it's changed to 2011, but there was no data in this particular database for 2011. Also, if you need to link up this spreadsheet to your Tatum's data on a server, or say your Tatum's data, your computer is a 64-bit machine, this database links up to data, and I'll show you where. If we click on, we'll start over here, we'll click on, you go to Data, and then Connections, and then Properties, Definition, and you can see here the data we're looking at is in this path right here. So it's C program files, Tatum's 2005, Tatum's 2005 be.mdb. In order to find the path for your current database, if you have Tatum's open, you click on Tools and then Networking, and you'll see here's the data path to this particular database. And if yours was different, say you had it on a T drive, like on a network drive or something like that, then it would show up in here, and you can just highlight this and then right click and choose Copy, and then you can just close out this networking tool and go back in here, and if you paste in the path right there and do a Control V as in Victor, Control V, that'll paste it in there for you. If you have any issues getting the database to work after you've changed the path, what you might need to do is actually create a whole new spreadsheet based on this query down here. So in order to do that, I'll walk you through that real quick. You click on, you just highlight this command text, grab all that, and then right click and choose copy, or Control C to copy. And we'll cancel out of this, close that. And now we're going to close this spreadsheet altogether. And I'm going to create a new one. So we go to File, and we're going to go to New, Blank Workbook. And then we see here we can choose Data, the Data tab, and then we can choose From Access. And then we're going to go find our data file. And so if your data file is on a server somewhere and you know where it is, you can go looking for it like this. So this one's going to be on this T drive. Click Open there. And then we're just going to click OK to select just the first table is fine. And then you click on Properties. And then you're back at this definition here. Definition, click on that tab. You're going to paste in what you had copied from the previous spreadsheet, from the actual one that we created. And to do that, you're going to highlight what's in the command text currently. And then you're going to type in Control V as in Victor. That pastes it in there. And you're going to change the command type to SQL. And then one more thing here is you want to change this mode up here in the connection string, where it says mode equals deny, or share deny write. Just change the word write to the word none, N-O-N-E. So it's share deny none. That way you'll be able to open the spreadsheet while somebody else has Tatum's open. So I'm going to click OK here, and then click OK again. And now we are linked up to a database file that is on the T drive. If I click on Data, Connections, Properties, Definition, you can see we're connected to a connection file of the T drive, and you can see that in here as well, right here. That's the file we're connected to. I'm not sure about this database. I don't know the what type of data it has in here. I can go back in time. Let's go to 2008 through 2011 and see if we bring up anything. We've got like one record in there that shows us our labor and our parts totals. So we'll close that, and hopefully that'll help you. Now, one other thing is once you create this new workbook with your version of Excel, then you just want to do a save, file, save as, and you can go ahead and give it whatever name you want. You can use the same name that we originally gave it, which was that real long name, which kind of gives you all the field names within the file name, or you can give it a different name if you want to. I just gave it with a name that is good for you, and I think that's it. All right, thanks again, and have a happy new year. Take care.